APECOIN, suitably named after an extremely well-known creature in exchanging circles, is a cryptographic money aroused by the essentially renowned NFT assortment, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, or so they thought. This ERC20 token is utilized for administration purposes in the ape environment, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Primate drives the local area, that is money working at the front of WEB3. APECOIN holders will actually want to conclude what heading the environment will create in, and can decide on how APECOIN DAO supports will in every way that really matters, be circulated in a truly significant way. 62% of all APE tokens were assigned to the APECOIN biological system store, they will be utilized to do the tasks different drives essentially. In spite of the fact that APECOIN has a genuine worth, its association with the NFT reserve causes truly numerous to regard it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin, which is genuinely huge. Financial backers most certainly have partitioned conclusions on the APECOIN cryptographic money, with some being immovably behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst in practically no time. In our APECOIN cost expectation, we will attempt to for the most part recognize both of these sides and endeavor to basically make a cost conjecture that will work out some kind of harmony between the two polarizing sentiments on APECOIN incredibly. Kindly recall that the items in this video don't comprise speculation counsel and that you ought to continuously fundamentally do your own examination prior to putting resources into any crypto. Presently, we should make a plunge. APECOIN technical analysis. There are a couple of motivations behind why it is staggeringly difficult to make APECOIN cost expectations, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Its basic worth as a token, most importantly, really is attached to a promotion subordinate undertaking, a NFT assortment. Albeit the Bored Ape Yacht Club is the primate price forecast for September 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value vacillations of APECOIN in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ape rate they foresee may be around $5.54 in September 2022. It can drop to $5.30 as a kind of least. The most extreme worth may be $5.80. October 2022. APECOIN price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the ape cost will really be exchanged at $5.71 overall, which is genuinely huge. October 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the APECOIN worth to $6.02. It is accepted that the cost won't drop kind of lower than $5.51 in October 2022. Primate price forecast for November 2022, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Crypto specialists have broke down APECOIN costs in 2022, so they are certainly prepared to in every way that really matters, give their assessed exchanging commonly normal for November 2022 $5.82. The most reduced and top ape rates could really be $5.63 and $6.30 in an especially enormous manner. December 2022. APECOIN price forecast in an unpretentious way. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ape cost will be around $6. In December 2022, the APECOIN cost might drop to at least $5.80. The normal pinnacle worth could explicitly be $6.59 in December 2022 amazingly. APECOIN price prediction 2023 amazingly. After the examination of the costs of APECOIN in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of APECOIN will be around $8.31, which is very huge. The especially most extreme expected ape cost might be around $10.08 in a significant manner. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $8.55 in 2023, or so they thought. APECOIN price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of APECOIN in 2024, APE really is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $11.87 and $14.42, separately, or so they thought without a doubt. The typical expected exchanging cost is $12.30. APECOIN Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of APECOIN and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base APE cost could drop to $16.86, while its greatest can reach $20.39, which is very critical. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $17.36. APECOIN Price Prediction 2026. In view of